Gold and silver continue to trade bearish today again. We have still seen silver plummeting sharp towards $27 levels. Now it has come to one very good support level, while gold has also seen lows at around 24.03 now. What to expect today with the US session? How to profit today trading gold and silver? Can we expect this crash to continue? Can we expect further fall in metals as the recession fears and also the war fears are looming in? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update with the sell call at 24.40, I hope you all profited there so far. Whilst the silver, it was at around 28.40 level. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Gold on the hourly chart, see moving averages crossing over here, signs of bearishness. Now 24.40 is the resistance it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal here. What has happened? The drop, retracement, and it has taken the downtrend again. It is looking downwards as of now. It has to come out of this zone at 2400 in order to confirm its move towards 2394, first target 2384 second, and below 2380 is where the crash will start. Below 2380 we are looking forward to 2350. Another point on the hourly charts, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands is expanding. It may put a bit of pressure on Bollinger Bands, taking it further downside and swinging it in here on the upside. So this current candle on the hourly charts may be a little bit of may bring a little bit of swings. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is dropped. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See drop, retracement, and the drop is continuing here. This may take the prices further down. Now 2400 is one level where you can take a selling entry, but 2394.96 first support zone, 2384.87 the second, and below 2378 we are looking forward to a stronger correction towards 2350 levels. If you look at the 2-hour charts, the drop, retracement, I have mentioned in my analysis or weekly review also that double top levels are seen and it is willing to reverse, and that is what has happened so far. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold zone. MACD is trading divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped. All signs are bearish here. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See a flat top is seen. It has started the current candle on a bearish note, and also you can see this now it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. So where this current candle closes is going to be of prime importance, because this is putting extreme pressure on the bands to expand, and trading outside Bollinger Bands means there could be a pull for this candle where the prices may again try to move in and trade bullish. Though the bullish, definition of bullishness today is if you see it trading about 2440, 2450 levels, but I do not see that happening. It can try to retrace a little on the upside. Stochastic has come to oversold. MACD trading divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, see the moving averages have started to converge here. These are still trading on the bullish side. For these to turn bearish, it has to show a crossover, which means there has to be a strong down move from the current levels. Let's see if it breaks below 2400, you can again take a selling position. And right now the moving averages have started to bit of convergence. Also, if you look at the drop, retracement, drop again, and if you connect the dots here, you can see this, and thus 2387.84 levels appears to be achievable on the downside. Stochastic coming to oversold. MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. So considering this, before I provide you the trading levels and strategy and look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. It offers you a step-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, earlier in the day I have mentioned, see it is showing increasing body size. It had tried to reverse, failing to go beyond 2455, 2460 zone. It is reversed sharply. Now see, most important thing is it's trading below 20 period moving average. This is a bearish sign here. Now, trading below 20 period moving average calls for it to move towards the 50 period moving average, which is right now sitting close to 2380 levels. Also, if you look at the formation here, double top formation is seen here, and with that as double top, it is taking a U-turn. So possibly once it stays below 2400, you can look forward to 2394.96 as the first, 2384.87 as the second, 2378.80 as the third. And if these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to 2350 levels very soon. If not today, then tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then in this week. But these levels will get achieved here. Stochastic has dropped. It is looking downwards. The MACD is again crossing over here for now. In my weekly and daily review, I have mentioned, see, it is forming a crossover here. Now this was looking upwards and it is turned on the downside. This is a bearish sign here. This can take the prices further down. Where the current candle closes is going to be of prime importance. RSI has dropped as well. So we have seen the selling entries. Now let's talk about the buying. Now I will recommend a buying entry only if you see it at 2410 levels, where you can expect 2414.16 as the first target, 2420.22 as the second target. And if it stays beyond 2420.22 levels, we can say little bullishness will be seen, which can take the prices towards 2430.31.5 and then towards 2440 levels. So yes, there are going to be greater resistances till 2440. If it trades about 2440, then only the bulls will try to take over. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. Look at the formation here. The drop, retracement, the drop, the retracement, and then the sharper drop has appeared here. It has come down to the support levels at $27 level. Now also, if you look at the moving averages crossing over here, the strongest resistance lies now at 28.20 zone. Oh, and only if silver trades about 28.20, you can say that it has turned bullish, else it is still trading in the bearish zone. And till 28.20, it is still on the sell on the rise. And also I have mentioned for the month, for the day, for the week, as long as silver stays below 29.50, it is still the sell on rise here. Look at the stock. I think this has come to oversold. MACD plummeted sharp on the early charts, looking down, divergent, looking bearish. RSI has also come to oversold zone. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour, see the preceding candle closing at the bottom. Current candle started with a drop here, and see this is traded outside Bollinger Bands. We have to watch out with caution how the current candle behaves, because this is putting pressure on the bands to expand on the 2-hour charts, and at the same time it will get a push towards the band so that the prices can fall in again. Thus the current levels you have to watch out for. The resistance, first resistance at around 2750, then at around 2775 can be seen. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. MACD trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has come to oversold zone as well. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, similar observation. See, first smaller drop, retracement, bigger drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and consolidation. And now this is given a breakout. Now, if you look at the steps here, 29, then 2750, and now it is taken a break below 2750. So possibly we are looking forward to $26 levels. It may take time, but it is trying to move towards that zone. If you look at the stock, I think this has come to oversold levels. The MACD has plummeted sharp from the top, crossing over here for the selling entry. RSI has come to oversold zone as well. Coming to 4-hour, the observation is similar on the 4-hour chart. Starting outside Bollinger Bands, it is trying to get a pull so that the prices might fall within the zone. Again, that means it can try to move towards 27.40.50 zone, which is going to be a very good resistance for now. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold levels. The MACD is trading, looking downwards here. The RSI has also come to the oversold zone here. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts, you can see this after retracing here, it is seen the reversal. Lower highs are seen and lower lows it is trying to achieve. It is almost at the bottom of this channel, and see $27 levels are one very good support zone, else we are looking forward to $26 zone as the next targets here. So if the prices stays, we can definitely see that the more bearishness will prevail here. First targets towards below $27 levels is 2680. So once you see the upper price of the band below $27 levels, you can take a selling entry. We can look forward to 2680, 2665, 2630 levels, and below 2630, $26 levels very soon will appear. Look at the moving averages crossing over here. It's definitely sign of bearishness, and I have shared this earlier as well. This crossover on the sell side specifically is appearing after 7 to 8 months. This was the January when it is crossed over on the sell side, and now after 7 months it is crossing over on the sell side and from a significantly higher levels. So possibly it can keep the prices lower from the current levels. The stock IC looking down. The MACD is also divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped. So considering this selling entries and selling levels, we have got $27 levels is the prime selling entry for us. And regarding the buying entries, you can buy here at 27.25 levels. When you see the higher price is about lower price about 27.25, you can take a buying entry. You can look forward to 27.45.50 as the first target zone, and beyond that 27.70 27.80 levels will come as the second target, and beyond 27.80 we are looking forward to $28 levels. If at any point of time it tries to stay above 28, consider that prices are trying to show a reversal, and then we can look forward to a rise which can in fact take it towards 28, 40, 50, chances for which appears to be almost negligible. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do watch out every day. The first update with the Asia and Europe session. Today, those who had watched must have already profited a lot. So take your positions accordingly. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again with the Asia and Europe session. Join the mentorship batch and the signals channel as well. Thank